Tom Hanks, father of Colin Hanks. Clint Eastwood, father of Scott Eastwood. Robert Redford, father of James Redford. Kurt Russell, father of Wyatt Russell. Gary Busey, father of Jake Busey. Day Lewis, father of Gabriel Lewis. Pierce Brosnan, father of Dylan Brosnan. Dennis Quaid, father of Jack Quaid. Andy Garcia, father of Dominic Garcia. Val Kilmer, father of Jack Kilmer. Tommy Lee, father of Thomas Lee. Gordon Ramsay, father of Matilda Ramsay. Sean Penn, father of Dylan Penn. James Caan, father of Scott Caan. Mick Jagger, father of Georgia Jagger. Robert Downey Jr., father of India Downey. Steven Tyler, father of Liv Tyler. Rowan Atkinson, father of Lily Sastry. Johnny Depp, father of Lily Rose Depp. Lenny Kravitz, father of Zoe Kravitz. Alan Thicke, father of Robin Thicke. Jean-Claude Van Damme, father of Bianca Van Damme. Ice Cube, father of O'Shea Jackson Jr. Ron Howard, father of Bryce Dallas Howard. Will Smith, father of Jaden Smith. Bob Dylan, father of Jacob Dylan. Kirk Douglas, father of Michael Douglas. Denzel Washington, father of David Washington.